Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Morning.
morning. Okay.
What's up, Al-Fatih?
What's up, Habib?
Milan, ma'am, I forgot to tell you. Ma'am, I forgot to tell you guys something yesterday.
What is it?
In the PYA2, Abib said, Adina ma'am told Abib, "Are you happy to meet Milan?" Abib was like, "Yo, I hate Milan. He's like so bad."
That's a lie.
First of all, no one hates
That's
Milan.
full lie.
Milan is a very good kid. Please don't hurt his feeling. Milan, you don't have to feel bad. Just turn on your camera, dear.
I think he's crying.
He's not crying. And Helena, we are not able to see you. Barira, please turn on your camera. Abhi, Milan, dear, can you turn on your camera?
In the profile, he looks like crying also.
Guys,
Ma'am, why do we have to do English?
you have do English because you have do English in your timetable.
Huh?
First of all, welcome to PYA1 everyone. Barira, Fateh, Abib. Good morning everyone.
Ma'am, but I didn't even get the email, and when I got into the classroom, there was no PYA2. Who deleted that and who joined that? I didn't even join PYA1. The join button I didn't press. Somebody else did.
Okay, those who are not turning on their camera will not get the attendance. First of all, I'm not able to see Milan, Barira, Abib, and Helena. I can only see Al Fatih, Lazel, and Amila. So, yes, I can see Helena now. Barira, Abib, Milan.
Oh, are you kidding me?
I can see Milan now. Good job, Milan. That is because I want to record and I want to record that you're actually not there turning on the camera even after multiple instructions. So, there are few things. How do you guys feel, by the way? Are you happy
Weird.
that you guys are together?
Yes.
Yes, that's nice. And is there anything?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, who disabled my Google chat?
Everyone's Google chat is gone, not only yours. Mine is also good.
What?
Yeah, it was done. I guess it was done either from the Google company side or admin side.
Mine's not gone, man. No, mine's not gone.
Yes.
There was a button called why is this happening? I pressed that. It said
Ma'am,
this is
Sidra
because
didn't join, right?
Yes, ma'am. Sidra is not here and Barira is not turning on the camera.
Okay, and what about Abib is here? Abib and
Everyone
Al-Fatih
else
is
is
here.
here.
Okay, I will just message her.
Yes. Okay. Yes, Amila.
not Google.
Ma'am, Ellen also turned off his camera.
And who? Milan, you are the leader for this week, right?
Yeah, wait, 1 second.
Then you have to turn on your camera.
Yeah, 1 second.
Ma'am,
My dad is doing something.
is PYA2 is gonna combine to forever, you said?
It's forever and ever and ever.
Yeah! Al-Fatih.
Okay, that's nice. Al-Fatih, we cannot.
Finally, there is more boys.
No, not all boys. There are 4 girls and 4 boys. See, Helena, Amila, Barira. One more is about to join. Sidra, she is not joined. Taken the invitation. Yes.
You mean Sidra?
Yeah. So there are 4 girls and 4 boys.
No, only one not a boy.
Ma'am, where did John and Aishan go? John left the school, but where did Aishan go?
Aishan also
What?
left the school.
But she's still in Arabic class, bro.
We have to remove her.
She's joining.
Yeah. Let's hope she joins. Which is your first time, people?
First hour.
Science.
Science is your first hour? Okay. No?
No, ma'am. Yeah, science is.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's science.
Let me check the time.
Science.
Today is Thursday, right? Thursday I am supposed to be in
Today.
PYA1. Science cannot be.
What do you mean?
Let me cross check. That's a confusion. Oh my god. I cannot be in 2 classes. I am the one who is taking science. English is taken by Afla ma'am and math is taken
No,
by
for me, science and maths is Abrami, ma'am. No, it's for me. It's science and maths. Is maths? What's maths?
it's maths, right?
Maths. There's no maths. It is science.
Guys, first hour is math. Share your timetable. First hour is math.
No, it is science.
Share your calendar. That would be a easy way to find out,
I'll
right?
share.
I shared.
Everyone
I
can
shared.
share. Everyone can share.
No. I share.
Look, my calendar science.
Thursday. Oh my
Science.
god, so many are
Science
sharing.
and
I'm not
science.
able to see one person right now.
No.
Guys,
Alpha, no. Science.
Hello, ma'am.
No.
Who has said hi?
Good morning.
No, I want to
Marina,
person.
who has your
No.
camera turned off and you were not responsive?
Ma'am, see, mine's is showing
I was
science.
in the bathroom, okay?
Okay, people, let's stop sharing. I am not able
Yeah.
to see anyone's.
Ma'am, look at Al
Stop
Fatih.
sharing. Fatih,
Al
stop
Fatih.
sharing, please. I'm not able to see anyone right now. That's the problem. I just want to see just one.
I found
Now it has revealed. Okay. Who's sharing now? No one is
Can
sharing.
I do?
Laser, please share.
Ma'am,
Let
my
it be,
Yeah.
sharing. Let it be.
ma'am, is my calendar showing science?
Okay, let me check. Okay, it's better if I check in my calendar. That is
Mine is science also, ma'am.
okay. It's math. Okay, first hour. Just be ready. Abhirami ma'am will come.
Science is also Abrami, ma'am, for us.
No, that changed. Now I'll be taking science for you. I'll be taking science.
Okay.
And Abhirami ma'am will be taking math. Abhirami ma'am and I
Take
will
a
be-
science. Ma'am, take a science.
Yeah, I'm taking science. Math will be
No,
taken
you
by.
take me science.
I'm taking science for everyone.
Ma'am, since when are you taking the FY class?
Which class?
What class were you having? You were set one class.
I'm taking MYA.
Oh,
What's that?
but we have science.
Okay. Are you sure? Are you sure you're having
Yes, sir.
science?
Yeah, everyone.
Everyone is
Yeah.
having science?
Today's first.
Refresh and check.
Ma'am, I'll
once
tell you the
more.
whole date.
Refresh and
Okay.
check once more whether you're having science.
Mathematics.
See?
Huh?
Told
It changed
ya.
to mathematics now.
Told ya.
Because you changed it right now, ma'am. Ma'am.
You changed it right now.
Yes, I did.
Listen, how do you get the cat? Listen, how do you get that cat on the bottom?
Lazel, how did you get the cat? I want the cats.
Download Meow the cat pet.
Download Meow the.
Cat pet.
Okay, put that in the chat.
I love my listen.
Ma'am, can I ask you something? Ma'am, can I ask you something?
Yes, Milan.
Ma'am, when the thunder hits, right? Can I use my laptop?
Sure.
Okay.
For when 1 second, ma'am, I'm so sorry. Milan, can you repeat that? I didn't hear the instruction.
Ma'am, in India, right, when like the thunder hits, right?
Okay.
Can I use my laptop?
Yeah, when it is done. Is it during the night time? No, you are not
I
supposed
don't know.
to don't use electronic devices.
Maybe it's on morning or night.
Yeah, see, your math teachers are here. Good luck to you guys. Bye bye. Have a good day. Ta-da.
Ma'am, it's
Bye,
raining
ma'am.
right now. Ma'am, I think it's raining right now.
It's raining. You can write.
Listen, how do you customize your cursor? How do you customize your